Hi everybody, it's Teacher Crystal. Today we are going to review this bad boy here, token economy reinforcement chart. So I provided my students and families with this board in a whiteboard folder for the purposes of efficiency during distance learning. So if we are not able to have an icon that's readily available to our student at home, this whiteboard folder has made it successful by using a whiteboard marker and just sketching in that token board or that reinforcement. And also, so then we don't have tokens with Velcro on them just scattered throughout our house. We can just use a whiteboard marker to go ahead and plug in some stars, some hearts to color them in, use the alphabet, use their numbers, whatever they might like. So that's been handy. So the way this works is at the beginning of a session or at the beginning of a task that they are doing at home, whatever they're working for, you go ahead and give them a choice. Prior to the session starting, you say, what are you working for? What are you working for? And they are able to give you the choice of French fries. They want to work for French fries. Again, if you don't have that icon available, you can go ahead and use the whiteboard marker to sketch it out on your folder. So then you're going to go ahead and put this here in this nice box. And just remind them throughout the session, remember you're working for French fries. At the end of this, you're gonna have a great reinforcer of French fries. But please do not be a deal breaker. Whatever you decide on for your contract of a reinforcer, you must commit, all right? So then you're gonna be working through your session now. And you say, okay, Jimmy, go ahead and show me. Show me shark. And he points to shark. From there, you say, yes, good job. You did so good. You answered, it was a shark. You had good working. You get a starfish. After every token that they receive, I always ask the student to count for me. So I'll say, oh, how many stars do you have? 1. Or count with me, 1. If they're not verbalizing it, as long as you're able to give them the line, provide them that language, it's a good way to have some incidental learning with math and numbers and the word more, because then I end up asking, how many more stars do you need? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more stars for French fries. I do that for every token that they receive. So they ended up getting multiple trials of math in speech. Okay, and for the purposes of this video, we are going to enjoy ourselves some sea animals as our tokens. So then you say, point to nose. Oh, good pointing to nose. You did it. Good job. How many tokens do you have? Let's count. 1, 2. How many more do you have? 1, 2, 3. Or how many more do you need? Sorry. Yes, 3 more to get French fries. And then so on and so forth. At the end of the 5 tokens, then you will go ahead and give them the French fries. So for most of our kids, we need to give them that reinforcement immediately after the 5 tokens that they worked through. And for some of our students, they know that their French fries are at McDonald's and they are willing to get in the car and wait that bit to go to McDonald's as long as they know that that's the resolve. Okay, so please just know, parents and staff and anybody who signs up for the commitment of this contract, please do not be a deal breaker. All right, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions for my families, go ahead and email me. Or for others who are watching this video, go ahead and comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks so much. Bye.